So in the middle of the excitement of the Olympic Games, it was confirmed that Jamaica football star Leon Bailey has moved from German Bundesliga club Bayer Leverkusen to Aston Villa Football Club in the high-profile English Premier League. And of course, football pundits and fans are weighing the pros and cons of this move. Some saying Bailey should have waited and moved to a bigger club like Arsenal and Manchester United or Liverpool. Now, first of all, these bigger clubs have to want the baller for him to go there. For me, going to a team like Aston Villa is a move of progression. Bailey should get regular playing time at Villa, which is crucial for his continued development. And making the move to the West Midlands club don't mean he cannot move to a bigger club at some point in the future. So me I say, hail up a raw Jamaican baller for getting into the EPL. And the Maverick pledges our full support for Leon Bailey in the English Premier League, except when we play against Liverpool. Yes. I hope you have some terrible games when you're playing against Liverpool. But big